One and done. That's right. With the Till N Seed from Brillion, one pass with one machine and you are done. The Till N Seed was designed using Brillion's many years of seeder expertise. It's tough, durable, and easy to use. It can rejuvenate pastures, restore athletic fields and lawns, shred and plant into tall stands of grass and wildlife food plots, loosen compacted gravel, and more. You ask, how can one machine be able to handle all of these jobs? Here's how. Forget about a cumbersome PTO drive. The Till N Seed uses a simple ground-driven front rotor to drive a second rotor twice as fast. This simultaneously tills the ground and mixes in the seed. The two rotors also mesh together, providing a unique and very effective self-cleaning action. Both rotors, as well as the cast iron firming roller, independently follow the ground contour, ensuring an ideal seedbed. Need to do more tillage action or shred existing food plots before planting? No problem. Just disconnect the seed drive and allow the rotors to do their job. Once ready to plant, the proven Brillion seed metering system will accurately handle a variety of seeds from grass, alfalfa, and clover up to seeds the size of soybeans. Once your job is done, you'll be looking for more ways to use this versatile machine. Not much time? No problem. The Till N Seed can be operated at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour in favorable conditions. The tractor needs to be equipped with a Category 1 or 2 3-point hitch capable of lifting 2,000 pounds 24 inches behind the hitch pins. Convenience and versatility all in one tool. With the Till N Seed, you are one and done. Visit your local Brillion dealer today to learn more.